peeps. I'll get the food pot set on right now so we can jump into action. What are we gonna do? We're gonna mash up some ackee and saltfish with some boiled banana. Ackee and saltfish with some boiled banana. So the cold already catching up. I'll get the pot put on right now, my people. Instant. Instant, one of them instant. One of them instant, my people. So stay tuned till I get the flour together. Yeah, peeps, go and mix out flour dumpling, you know.
Flour go and knead up the right and proper way.
Almost 2 pounds in a paper. This is what leave out of the 2 pounds because when I cook flour, guys, remember, don't use all light. Left back some. So in case the flour spoil, because no man not perfect when you come on to make flour. So in case the flour spoil, you have reserve. Then, yeah man, they're on the finishing now. Right, this is a product check. Plus we have some nice, fresh cut banana on my people. Fresh cut. And out of the garden, you see me? Just see the banana walk down with some of my peeps. Just cut the banana, fresh cut, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, just cut. Just cut and go drop in a pot, save time. Yeah. That I hate, man, you see me? Your peeps, you have to roll it in the right and properly way, you know? Perfect way, you know? Work it, and you know, man, take strength still, you know? Your peeps, look on you now. Can you see the nice yellow green in night or green in teeth, you know? Yeah. Check in back on the water now, my people. See if the water ready up. So we can just start roll and press. Wow. Yeah man, can start roll and press now. Then the people roll and press now. Yeah man. Start roll and press now. Alright, listen. Restaurant, neat. Yo, my woman love when I cook for her, you know. She said, God know you to come like a restaurant to work. Dumpling them just neat, you know. Yeah. Look at that. Wow, cartwheel. Not so neat. Nothing going on, my peeps. Just remember, you know, your support, you know, my people. Your support is very important to me, you know. Yeah, man, your support, my people, is very important to me. So whenever you guys support me by watching the clips them that I upload, really appreciate that, man. Yeah, man. So hope you guys will get a 1K like I swear. Yeah, man. Clean cooking, I know my people. Yeah, man, everything just clean and there's nothing going already, you know. We say cleanliness is godliness, you know. So anything we do, we just go clean and done. Guys, remember, I have some bomber coming up. Yeah, just remember my people, we have some bomber coming up. Yeah? They put in the glass and try to chat it. I eat that in on my paper. Yeah, man. I'll get it covered up down. Get the pot cover up. If you go and boil up, I'll give them a little turn. So in the meanwhile, peeps, I'll get some water. Get some water and this in the meanwhile, my people. Get my hand wash off so you can get the banana then peel up, you know. Yes, man. Tip a little tip of oil in the water, a little tip for your hand. After you do that, rub the thing like this. Wow. Cock up back the oil, don't make it throw, you see? Fresh cut. Now I'm going to use all of them still on people because I don't know, see? Flour dumpling them already, nothing at the pot, so.
Alright.
This good done? Yeah. A nice banana that man. Good. Very nice looking banana. Yeah, man. Give me people. They look very lovely, you know. Nice and clean, you know. Yeah, man, everything's just fresh, you know. Yeah, man, looking lovely, you know. Wow. Alright, my people, so check in back. Check in back on the pot. Check in back on the pot. Yeah. Wow, that item on the paper. Yeah, my paper. Banana ready for going, you know. Banana pretty on my paper. Slide in my pot. Yeah. Yeah, my people, I eat that one. Man, give pot a one story, you know. Yeah. Camille dumpling look good in a pot, along with some nice cooking banana, you know. Just pick me a call him banana name. Just cut. Just cut. See the rest of them people, I have the rest of them house, but the one here, give my brother a hand, give my next friend a hand. That's how we do it, you know. I don't know, I'll get the saltfish and I sew up right now on my plate. Alright, I'll get the starfish and soak right now. The starfish go and soak out, you know? My people, check in, grape tree, check in. Yeah, man, it's me about my pepper tree, then my people. Check how much pepper on my tree, my people. Yeah, man, pepper tree well load, man. Well load. And the pepper tree well young, you know, my people, well young, you know. Drop some banana the skin, drop some banana the tree root. That are the banana I just peel. Drop the skin of the tree root there, so that good for fertilizer also. Yes, man. That's a code now, my people. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. Check in, you know? Yeah. Check in, you know? Wow. Man, check it, man. Yeah, man. Tasty banana, you know? Soft and nice, you know? Yeah, what's up, boy? Yeah. My people. Yeah, man.
See you. But hot.
I'm funny, my people. Eat that. I'm gonna do now, my people. I'll get the ackee put on now. You see me? My people, drop in the starfish in the meanwhile. The starfish one cook down a little. Cook out. After the starfish cook out a little, throw the ackee pan in and make it for them stay there and go and cook. Yeah, my people, get the seasoning and wash off for now. Yeah, man, lovely, you know? Wow, look at that. Get them wash off instant. Yeah, my people, get them wash off it properly. Yeah? Onion, bell pepper. Now hot pepper, yard pepper, tomato. Everybody's supposed to know scallion by now. Within bread at time. Never left them one another before. Garlics. Yeah, man. So I get them matched up right now, my people. Get the ackee them put in on the saltfish. Yeah, my people, eat a look at one story, you know? Wow, saltfish already cooked already, yeah? Go and make the ackee them go and cook out. Different type of ackee we cook today, you know? Look at that one here. The one have a white look, and that one here yellow. So check in for the two of them. See a white and a yellow, two different ackee. We're going to do a test today. To see which one of them more sweeter. That is all about the test today. Cover back your pot, my people. Yeah, my people. Saltfish ready, you know. Yeah? Saltfish ready up. I know peeps, we not lie. Flower pot. Burn up my hand. Yeah, man.
Okay, go on. Cook up.
Yeah. Trevor, go and get the saltfish, pick up the right and proper way. And or I gonna do the saltfish to my people. Right on the saltfish in a boneless. No from my bone. Right, me I tell crush them. So stay tuned for all of that, my people. Season them, wash off proper way. You can see Jamaican yardman pepper. Wow, scallion, onion and thyme and a tomato. Look at some garlic. That are code now, my people. Yeah, man. Right, that's it. Peeps, you see a pepper here? Straight off of my tree, right there, sir. Fresh pick off of my pepper tree. Yeah, man. I have everything growing on my yard, my people. Yeah, man, I plant them, man. Probably next 2 years from now, I pick grape off of my grape tree, my people. Yeah, man. So check out the yardman pepper. Get the onion, cut up the right and properly way now. Dice it up, you know. So lovely. Yeah, my people, remember, yardman at pepper. You have the onion right there, so. Can see the tomato right there, so. Yeah, man, you can see the scallion right there, so. Yeah, man. Thyme a green teeth. You can see the garlics right there, so. So everything are gonna combine, you know. Yes, man. The ackee fry up with the saltfish. Yeah, my people, waiting on the oil to get hot, you know. I got to tip a little bit more oil in it still. Yeah, my people getting the saltfish. Wow, look at that. Sprinkling the saltfish all over another place. Alright, my people, go and stay tuned until the ackee ready to go in. Yeah, do it now. One night and the ackee looks so pretty. You know, as it my day, bro. No man. Yo, check this out, my people. A night. Look at that. You know, it's a night. Zin. And check out the ackee, how the ackee look. Wow. And a night, my people, and ackee looks so gorgeous. No man. Finger licking. As a Andrea wife for England, as I say. Finger licking. Oh God. Yo. How the man. Finger licking. Yeah man. Real yard man. Akina man. Add some fish season funny. Now the meanwhile. Yes man. All-purpose seasoning of people. Yeah, look at it for all purpose. You know, all purpose work good done. Anyway, come down already. Alright, my people, you can go on, calm down and go on doing thing. Yeah, my people, finish cooking now, you know, so we are going to get some food share out, so you can go and consume some food. Thank you guys who was here from the first until the end of the video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching the video from the start until the end, you know. Really appreciate for the support.
Try dumpling that in pot, Smell good, people. National dish, prettiest national dish in the world.
My favorite. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, my people, that is it enough. Yeah, man. Looking lovely, huh?